Now that we have the veneer on our strip of paper here, we're going to go ahead and place it on our board like so. Put the other strip over the top. Place this board on top of that. And essentially what we're doing is we're going to press it flat, because when it dries it can curl. So we don't want it to curl. So we'll clamp it shut. And we'll leave it like that, and it'll stay that way maybe a day or two. It may take to dry. We can open it up and check it and see if it's dry later on. If not, we'll dry it some more, let it dry some more. But in the meantime, we've got some preparation work we're going to need to do on the clock case. So we'll do that while this is drying. And you won't need this piece anymore. We can just dispose of that, and you don't need this piece of wax paper anymore. So this you can set to the side, and it'll dry over time. And that's the end of this step. It's been a couple of days since our veneer was put into the mold here, so let's go ahead and open it up and see how it looks. And let's peel back this plastic here. And our veneer looks really good. It's nice and flat. It's ready to be used. But we're going to put this to the side for now, because we're going to go look at our clock case and look at some other things that we need to do before we actually work with our veneer. This is the upper left hand corner of our clock case. We've got missing veneer patches here and a missing area here. I also see evidence of other work that was done. Some of it was fairly good and some of it needed to be better. Let's take a closer look at these. Right here at the top of your screen you can see this little piece here was added on, but you can see the line where it was patched was put in, and also this protrudes out a little bit further than the original piece of veneer. So this needs to be fixed a little bit. Also, when you look at this closer, you can see that the grain pattern is not very closely matched. And that's something that you really want to do when you're working on these, is you want to have matching grain pattern. Now if they would have taken this piece and turned it around the other way, I think this pattern here would have more closely matched with this pattern here. But they put it on this direction, which is not real good, and I don't want to take that off. I think we can work with that to make it look better. So that's what we'll do there. There's also another area here where we have a line where two pieces were glued together here, but got some separation, and this is starting to lift off in this area. So we need to glue that down and then also work to get rid of that line there. There's also another line, as you can see right here in this area, that we need to fix. So we need to fix this area here, need to fix this piece up here. There's some gluing that needs to be done under here. And let's start and do all that next.